So this is second part of the thing of beauty. From our dark spirits, we had done till from our dark spirits, and now the next line. Such the sun, the moon, trees old and young, sprouting a shady boon. Okay, for simple sheep and such are daffodils, with the green word they live in, and clear rills that for themselves a cooling covert make, against the hot season the mid forest break. So the boon word means blessing, rills means a small stream, break means a process to slow down. Okay. Here the poet describes the beautiful things which are present on earth. They are the sun, the moon, the tree, the flowers, especially daffodils he mentions, and the rivers. And the poet says that all these things are like a blessing bestowed on all creatures by earth. He says that the trees provide us with shade. That is again a beautiful thing. When you are in hot sun and suddenly you find a place to stand, you will look for a tree to stand under it. So shade, flowers with their beauty, and rivers with their coolness during the hot summers. If you are moving in very hot days and suddenly you hear the sound of water somewhere, that gives you automatically it gives you relief from that heat. All these are the beauties of nature which are like a boon for us. Okay, literary devices again are alliteration, which are shady, simple sheep, cooling covert. Okay, and imagery is trees giving shade and growing process of daffodils. He says no, the daffodils with the green word they live in. Okay, creole rills, that also. Now next line. Where do we have the next line? It is, I think, musk rose blooms rich wither. The line goes from here. Let me see, children. With the green word they live in creole rills. This we have done. That for themselves a cooling covert make. This also against the hot season, with the mid forest break, rich with a sparkling of fair musk rose blooms, and such too is the grandeur of the dooms we have imagined for the mighty dead, and lovely tales that we have heard or read, an endless fountain of immortal drink pouring onto us from the heavens brink. Okay, so grandeur, the meaning is high rank or socially important. That is the meaning of grandeur. Mighty is enormous, immortal is never dying, and brink is edge. The poet further carries on with the description of the more beautiful things in these lines. Okay, and he such as the beautiful musk rose, which has a nice fragrance. Then he describes the tale of mighty warriors who laid their lives for the country or humanity, the martyrs of our country or of other countries. That is also, there is also a beauty in their sacrifice. Okay, that is this is again, they have laid their life for humanity, for the people, for saving the people. It's a sacrifice. He says that these beautiful things are the gift from God for all of us. They are like a nectar given by God. Nectar is honey. It's given by God to us, and these are those beauties which are immortal, and they give us the reason to live on earth despite having so many sorrows in our life. So literary device again is alliteration, use of a sound in which two words are close, and as in have and heard. Metaphor is immortal drink. Beautiful objects of nature are forever like a never ending potion. Rhyme scheme is used in every stanza. So same thing, forever, never, keep, sleep, dead, red, etc. You know how it is. Okay, new words, children, I have told you the meaning, you have to do. Okay, if one important thing is the list of the things that are mentioned as beauty. They are the sun, the moon, the shady tree, the daffodil flowers, the stream of water, dense green bushes, and heroic men who sacrifice their life. And list of the things that cause suffering and pain. That is important, children. Okay, you note. They are desire to offend others, hopelessness, lack of noble men, bad health, unhappiness, gloom, darkness. Okay, question answers I'll be sending to you. You'll be doing the question answers later. Thank you, children. Because it was a long poem, understanding explanation was more, I have divided into two sections. You remember to read both of them, understand both. Thank you.